Hello, fourth graders. Today we are doing another one about areas and so forth. This is find the unknown measures. And the standard is 4.MD.A.3. Good. Let's unlock the problem. We're going to make this as easy as possible for you. Tanisha is painting a mural that is in the shape of a rectangle. The mural covers an area of 54 square feet. The base of the mural measures 9 feet. What is the height? So we're looking for the missing problem. Now over here it says, what do you need to find? What we need to find is the height of the mural. What information do you want? The area and base of the mural. Okay. Find the unknown measure. Give the area. Okay, so here's the model. It says think the measure you know, use n for the unknown. So this is the unknown because it is the height. So we're going to use n. All right, they've also given us the area, and that's 54 square feet. So now that they've got that, we don't know what that is, and here we go, we are looking for the answer to that here. Boom. So we're going to use the model to write an equation and solve. This is what we're going to do. We're going to do area equals base times height. Write the formula. Use the model to write an equation. So we know that we've got the area, and that's 54. We know that we have the length, which is not 9, but we do not know the height, so that's n. Pretty straightforward. So we got 54 equals 9 times n. What times 9 equals 54? This is where your multiplication comes in, and you should know this. So what times 9 makes 54? And the answer is 6. 6 times 9 is 54. So the value of n is 6. The base here. I'm sorry I didn't put this 9 feet. That was the base, the bottom. All right. So the height of the mural is 6 feet. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. What if the mural were in the shape of a square? Now, we know squares are all equal size. With an area of 81 feet, what would be the height of the mural be? Well, of course, the height of the mural, because the square is all the way around, is equal, but they've given you 81. So they said that the area equals 81, right? So we've got to find out what makes 81 right here. So the possible answer could be, well, area equals S times S. So that's for square times square. And since 81 is equal to 9 times 9, it would be 9 here, 9 here. So that is 9 times 9 is 81. And we don't have to do so much explaining because we can do that in our own way. So we won't bypass that for a minute and make our lives easier in this pandemic that we're in. Let's turn the page over. All right, and it says now find the unknown measures. It's given the perimeter. Oh, what is the perimeter? We've got to remember what that is. Let's go ahead and start this one right now. So first and foremost, they've given us the model. Label the measures you know, use n for the unknown. So let's read it. Gary is building an outdoor pen in the shape of a rectangle for his dog. He will use 24 meters of fencing. The pen will be 3 meters wide. How long will the pen be? Oh, look at this cute little doggy behaving itself. Use the formula for the perimeter. All right, well, let's do what perimeter? Perimeter equals 2 times length plus 2 times width. Now, they've given us 3 meters wide, so we're going to put 3 here. The length, we have no idea, n. But they did give us the perimeter of 24 meters. All right, so let's go ahead. Here is the model that we've done here. Now we're going to write a formula that's going to help us with that. They've given us 24 for the perimeter, and we said that it's 2 times length. So we've got 2 times n, because we don't know what length is, and then we've got 2 times, but we do have the width of the 3. Hello, this is always coming together already. Again, we have 24 here, and we've got 2 times n, but we know this part. 2 times 3 is 6. Now it says here, I think 2 times n is an unknown addend. Let's see. So we've got 24. We don't know what this is, plus 6. So something makes 24. We think, what is 24 minus 6? Well, the answer to that is 18. So if we do 18 plus 6, it's going to equal to 24. The value of 2 times n is 18. To find the value of n, find the unknown factor. So it is 2 times what makes 18? 2 times 9 equals 18. So the value of n is 9.